All right, WMC, this is the video to randomize our MLB teams for tonight's break number 12, which is one of the Gem Mint MLB cards. So we'll check the time. We have July 22nd at 9:57 a.m. We're going to go over to the break and type live. We have July 22nd at 9:57 a.m. There's the list of our 30 MLB teams. We're just going to randomize this list and we'll match it back to our entry list. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. That's not going to work. It's not going to work. 10 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, we killed it. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we'll get the team list posted. You guys can trade teams if you like. We'll see you at 6:30 for the break.